You have the base, the stand, where the mimosa goes. You have the ice catcher. Hey y'all, it's me, your boy, the burly bartender. So we're here today. We're gonna do a different spin on things. We're not just talking about drinks and cocktails, but anything that might have to do with the bar. So whether it be the glassware that your drinks go in, or a cocktail shaker, muddler, wine opener, anything that you need to use back here. All right, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check it out. All right, see you later. Have a good one. Okay. So you got the gaskets. Each rubber goes together.
138 years of football in Bloomington, and this football game represents the pinnacle, I think, for this program. The fans that beat Ohio State in Indy.
Rubber gasket goes on the nozzle.
They beat Ohio State in Indy for a Big Ten championship, which is huge for them. They show up at the Rose Bowl. They haven't been here since 57 years. They beat Alabama.
So the rubber gasket seals
and now
it.
they're going to be favorites to win the national championship.
They are the odds maker choice with Ohio State losing last night. You're right.
Did that backwards.
They may not leave the stadium, these fans. This is a celebration.
Gasket goes. Then the rubber. So the washer, sorry. Washer rubber. Fits in like so, so it seals. Then same thing. Rubber inside. Washer outside.
Yeah, again, a lot of respect there. One of the things that he's going to put this put in perspective.
Make sure the rubber gasket's on there. It fits this up.
That's my lady. Yeah, that's the owner.
Step back to the left.
Getting the stage ready for the presentation. In the meantime, let's get up Chris with Chrissy Bennett.
Congratulations. How were you guys able to how physical those boys in the SEC on both sides of the ball tonight?
We've been a pretty physical team all year long.
You know what they have it on, right?
It's a great win and it's a great football team.
Then you put the nut on to seal it.
I thought our guys played really hard from the first snap to the last snap. Proud of them. We've got done what we wanted to get done. Looking forward to the flight home. A day off tomorrow.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You want to make sure it's a tight seal. Otherwise, you're going to have mimosa leaking out, and then you just got to clean up a mess. Waste of product. Nobody want to do that.
We got a lot of veteran starters. They played a lot of successful football in their careers. They have high character. They have great leadership and character on this football team. And they come through in the clutch moments. So I'm proud of the way they responded and prepared and led this challenge. And it's a great win.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Holly.
Now that you have it on, good to go.
Well, Fernando, Indiana continues to make more history this season. Why? What is so special about you in this group?
First of all, my team and I want to give all the glory to God. What a historic venue, the Rose Bowl, one of the best venues in all of sports. It's just a great conglomerate of individuals coming together.
You put ice in here.
Complimentary football. Coach Shea has hit on us.
So the ice goes in.
And especially when you have a bye, it's tough to get the rhythm of football.
So this is how they look after they're assembled. Got the mimosa jugs for brunch. You have the base, the stand, where the mimosa goes. You have the ice catcher. You fill that with ice. So it keeps the mimosa cold without watering it down. You got your lid so you don't get anything in it. And you don't fill it up. OJ, passion fruit, and champagne. Brunch.